Immunosuppressant drugs stop the immune system from damaging our central nervous system. They also try to treat our multiple sclerosis symptoms. They are powerful drugs. My doctors always said they help slow down MS progression, but they never said they would help me find any relief from my MS symptoms. But I can tell you, they don't even scratch the surface of how great you are about to feel. If you ask me how are my MS symptoms now, I can only respond, what symptoms? Hey, it's Steve. We all know in MS, the immune system turns against us and attacks our brain and spinal cord. Immunosuppressant drugs try to hold that attack back, trying to prevent myelin damage and inflammation. But in my experience, they just left me to deal with my pain and my fatigue without any relief. Sometimes they are able to fight MS. Other times, they don't, and we just end up relapsing. But if you want to go beyond simply suppressing the immune system with drugs and stop all your symptoms, then start to restore your myelin, watch this. My journey took it to a whole new level. So when I began, I suffered with years of taking the most powerful MS drugs. Then I stumbled on something that quickly became the assistance to those drugs. And don't get me wrong, the drugs do work, but if you want to attack your symptoms, then you probably should be doing this. Ultraviolet B light is the natural immune suppressor and has been around since the dawn of man. But because of our modern society, the benefits are not being harnessed like they once were years and years and years ago. I'm cluing you in so you won't miss out. I use a UVB lamp. UV meaning ultraviolet light. It comes in two different flavors, UVA and UVB. UVA is what sunlight is mostly comprised of. UVB is far more efficient and effective than UVA when it comes to the immune system. Sadly, UVA takes over the farther from the equator you get, which explains the MS latitude gradient. The route ultraviolet B light takes is complex, so let me simplify it for you. The lamp breaks the concept of the MS latitude gradient. Essentially, my lamp brings effective UVB tropical sun into my house. It's super concentrated. 8 to 9 times more to be exact. So I only need 3 minutes every other day. But what it does is magical. In the epidermis, which is the top layer of our skin, there are cells called Langerhans cells. UVB light alters the morphology and function of them by triggering other cells called natural killer T cells. Essential because natural killer T cells secrete a significant amount of the cytokine interleukin 4, which is shown to be essential for immune suppression. And this is just my opinion, but I never felt drugs when I took them, ever. But this, I do. I like to think of it not so much as a suppression of the immune system, but immune regulation. It creates a balance. Once the MS overreaction is under your control, natural processes are able to take over and start to restore your myelin. I feel blessed. I include many of my subscribers to buy the UVB lamp I use. Watch the video at the end of this one of my friend Angela, who I think, I don't know. Well, she's the first one that told me, but I think she was one of the first ones to buy the lamp. And I've talked to her many times and she can back up those benefits. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe so you never miss a video. Until the next one.